ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पता न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः। वेदवेदान्तवेदाङ्ग विद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च शारदा शारदाम्भोज वदना वदनाम्बुजे सर्वदा सर्वदास्माकं सन्निधिं सन्निधिं कुर्यात्। सन्निधिं सन्निधिं कुर्यात्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषम् पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिम्। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। अचतुर्वदनो ब्रह्मा द्विबाहुरपरो हरिः अभाललोचनः शम्भुः भगवान् बादरायणः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Please repeat after me. अथा तो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा अथा तो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा जन्माद्यस्य यतः। Now read the भाष्य। जन्मोत्पत्तिः आदिः अस्यति तद्गुण संविज्ञानो बहुव्रीहिः। जन्म स्थिति भंगम समासार्थः जन्मनश्च आदित्वम् श्रुति निर्देशापेक्षम् वस्तु वृत्तापेक्षं च श्रुति निर्देशः तावत् यतो वा इमानि भूतानि जायन्ते इत्यस्मिन् वाक्ये जन्म स्थिति प्रलयानां क्रमदर्शनात् वस्तुवृत्तम् अपि जन्मना लब्धसत्ताकस्य धर्मिणः स्थिति प्रलय संभवात् अस्येति प्रत्यक्षादि सन्निधापितस्य धर्मिणः इदमानिर्देशः षष्ठी जन्मादि धर्म संबंधार्था यत इति कारण निर्देशः अस्य जगतः नामरूपाभ्यां व्याकृतस्य अनेक कर्तृ भोक्तृ संयुक्तस्य प्रतिनियत देश काल निमित्त क्रियाफलाश्रयस्य मनसा अपि अचिन्त्य रचनारूपस्य जन्म स्थिति भंगम यतः सर्वज्ञात् सर्वशक्तेः कारणात् भवति तद्ब्रह्मेति वाक्यशेषः अन्येषामपि भावविकाराणां त्रिषु एव अंतर्भाव इति जन्म स्थिति नाशानाम् इह ग्रहणं यास्क परिपठितानां तु जायते अस्ति इत्यादीनां ग्रहणे तेषां जगतः स्थिति काले संभाव्यमानत्वात् मूल कारणात् उत्पत्ति स्थिति नाशा जगतः न गृहीताः स्युः इत्याशंकेत तन्माशंकीति योत्पत्तिः ब्रह्मणः तत्रैव स्थितिः प्रलयश्च त एव गृह्यन्ते न यथोक्त विशेषणस्य जगतः यथोक्त विशेषणम् ईश्वरम् मुक्त्वा अन्यतः प्रधानात् अचेतनात् अणुभ्यः अभावात् संसारिणः वा उत्पत्त्यादि संभावयितुं शक्यम् न च स्वभावतः विशिष्ट देश काल निमित्त निमित्तानाम् इह उपादानात् एतदेव अनुमानम् संसारी व्यतिरिक्त ईश्वर अस्तित्वादि साधनम् मन्यन्ते ईश्वरकारिणः। We were seeing the topic of word description, and janmadi asya yatah. This is the Tad Brahma. So Tad Brahma we have to add, and janmadi asya yatah. So we had seen the meaning of janmadi first, then we saw the meaning of asya yesterday, and then we saw the meaning of yatah. We were in the process of seeing the meaning of yatah. Yatah means what? Yasmat karanat. What is that cause from which asya prapanchasya pratyakshibhuta prapanchasya. So how will you translate? You have to bring asya first. Asya prapanchibhut pratyakshibhut prapanchasya sthiti janma sthiti layaha. So of this world, the birth, sustenance and dissolution is from that Brahman. Again I am repeating. Asya pratyakshibhut prapanchasya janma sthiti layaha bhavati kasmat yatah brahmana. This was the translation. Understand the sutra properly. This was the first point. We had taken time to asya pratyakshibhut prapanchasya janma sthiti layaha yasmat karanat tad brahma. And then we saw few points. I am repeating it. What was the first point of yatah? Because from that creation is there, therefore that must be the efficient cause or nimitta karan. So anything which starts, nimitta karan means that which starts. Nimitta karan, anything cannot change by itself. This is the rule. There is a rule is there, svatmani kriya bhavat. So anything cannot change by itself. Mud cannot change by itself and become pot. Or the ornament cannot, gold cannot change by itself and become the ornament. Or Panch Mahabhut cannot change by itself and become the body or the world. So there has to be one efficient cause. We should be clear why efficient cause should be there, because anything cannot go by itself. This is because Svatmani Kriya Bhavat. Anything cannot change by itself. And therefore the Janma word indicates that yatah, that karan is the efficient cause. This is one point which we discussed yesterday. On the second point, anything cannot be sustained by the efficient cause. I had given the example that potter can make the pot, but potter cannot maintain the shape of pot. Pot is out of his control after that. So the upadan karan or the material cause, because of the material cause, the pot is maintained as a pot. Material cause is now holding the pot. Because of the material cause, so how do we know that material cause is there? Because pot is existing. If material cause leaves the pot will disappear. And therefore, the sthiti word indicates that yataha is also the material cause. And yataha layaha. Yataha layaha. Yataha laya does not mean because of which there is a laya. Here yataha is in the meaning of yasmin, in which there is a laya. How do you say like that? Yato vaimani bhutani jayante yena jatani jivanti yat prayanti abhisamvishanti, in which there is the dissolution. So how do you know what is the material cause? Any shape dissolves into what? Ultimately, that is the material cause. I had mentioned that. If you take away the shape of the ornament, it will become gold. It won't become mud. Mud it won't become. If you break the shape, and the shape dissolves or disappears into what material is called the material cause. Got my point? And because of that, pot is there. Pot, if you break the pot will become mud. Ornament, if you melt, it will become gold. Body, if it is destroyed, it will go into Panchmahabhut. Panchattvam agata. So the name of death is Panchattvam agata. Body has become the 5 element. So how will you know what is material cause of a tree? Earth. Why? Because it goes back into the earth. So what goes back into something, that is the material cause. And what sustains yena jatani jivanti, because of which the thing is there, is not efficient cause. The product does not go back to efficient cause. If you break the pot, it won't go back to the potter. And the potter is not going to sustain the pot. So because the world goes back into Brahman. How do you know? Yaprayanti abhisamvishanti. The world goes back into Brahman, and therefore the Brahman is the material cause also and efficient cause also. See, everything is very linked. So Janma indicates efficient cause, Sthiti and Laya indicates the Upadan Karan. And therefore, what is the final meaning? Yatah means Abhinna Nimitt Upadan Karanam Asti. This was the point. Then I had told one more point, if you remember, that if the Nimitta Karan and Upadan Karan both are same, so there is no perfect example when Nimitta and Upadan Karan are same except Swapna. The spider example is not 100% perfect. Why? Because that cobweb which is woven by the spider is Jada, is not Chetan. The spider is not inside the cobweb. Spider is different and the cobweb is different. Okay. And supposing the example of the earth and the tree, that is also not perfect. They have limitation because they are intended to tell different aspect. Yathorna visrajate grunnateja. You know what is it indicating? It is coming from him and going back into him. The spider can suck the cobweb also. The spider can So Nimitta Karan is because it created the cobweb. And Upadan Karan is material cause because the cobweb can go to the spider bite. I have not seen this. Neither I have seen. I only see the spider sitting in the cobweb. I have not seen making the cobweb. If you have seen, please tell me. Neither I have seen that it has taken back the cobweb. Cob. I have not seen, but it must be there. So yathornabhi sujate grinate jatha prativyam oshadaya sambhavanti. Yatha purushat keshalomani. So keshalomani is inert, but the purush is chetan. And therefore from chetan inertness can appear. This is the intention. And second example is for vividita. From one earth, vividita means the, what is it called? Variety comes. Earth is same. Supposing this, you take one piece of land here, where the garden is there. Hundreds of kinds of shrubs are there. Earlier there was a garden, this kitchen garden here, where the Havan area is there. There was sometimes sugar cane also. And there was chilies also. And both were side and side. So someday I said maybe chili has become sweeter. So it was not sweet. Chili maintained its own nature. There was no effect on each other. Neither sugar cane became hot. So both had its own nature. Then I was very happy and surprised also. I said they don't interfere with each other. We should learn from the plants also. But there's a plant plot politics, somebody told. Inside the roots are there. They quite interfere with each other inside that. Anyway, so this is the meaning of nimitta and upadan karan. But very interesting point here is that it is vivarti. Yesterday I told that the nimitta karan is unchanging and upadan karan has to modify. If upadan karan doesn't modify, how will it change? But if abhinna nimitta and upadan karan will be, if the changing and unchanging both have to exist, it means the changing should be appearance. And therefore it is not a real upadan karan. It is not a real material cause, because if it was a real material cause, it cannot be efficient cause. It cannot be real upadan karan, because it will not allow the nimitta karan to be there, because nimitta karan has to be unchanging. So two things we heard about yatha. So it is, what is it called? It is nimitta karan and it is upadan karan and it is the abhinna nimitta vivarti upadan karan. Now you please store all this information of the jagat. This is called tatastha lakshana. Tatastha lakshana. So that factor from which, supposing it is called X factor, from which the jagat comes out. The tatastha lakshana is not considered as complete information. Now what do you need? What do you need? I need Swarup lakshana. So Swarup lakshana, because tatastha lakshana is, Vyavartakatvam lakshanam. Remember that? Yes, one day I had told Vyavartakam lakshanatvam is there. So tatastha lakshana is that something which is not intrinsic to that object. Kada chitkam sat vyavartakam tatastha lakshanam. I had mentioned it. Kada chitkam sat vyavartakatvam tatastha lakshanam. And what was the Swarup lakshana? Swarupam sat vyavartakatvam lakshanam Swarup. Kada chitkam means sometime it is there, sometime it is not there. Now what is the Swarup lakshana? And for Swarup lakshana, in the same Taitri from which this sutra is taken, the Vakya, is the sutra of Taittiriyato Vaimani Bhutani Jayante Yena Jatani Jivanti Yat Prayanti Abhisamvishanti Ti Tad Brahma. And then Bhrigur Varuni. So the Varuni, father of Bhrigu, he said, go and find out. I gave you the Lakshana. Tapasam Brahma Vijigyasasva Tapo Brahmeti Sa Tapo Tapyata Sa Tapas Tattva. So Bhrigu went and he did tapasya. And he came back. He said, Bhrigu, you have come back. How you have come back? He said, I got the answer. So what is it? Bole annad vaimani bhutani jayante annena jatani jivanti annam yat prayanti abhisamvishanti ti. So bole what is there? Bole annam brahmeti vijanat. Bole ann is Brahman. If you remember, the sequence was there. I am not going. So father said, go and do one more tapasya. Then he went back and then same thing he told about prana. Then he told about mana. Then he told about Vigyan. Please revise that. At least chant it. Chant Bhrigu. Try to practice Taittiriya off and on. Then ultimately he came back. Ananda dev khalu imani bhutani jayanti. Ananda e jivanti. Anandam prayantavi sambhishanti iti. And then what he said? Anando brahmeti vijanat. Saisha bhargavi vidya. So ultimately the result was what? Anand is Brahman. And this is the Swarup Lakshana of Brahman. Swarup Lakshana of Brahman is, so he started with the Swarup, Tatastha Lakshana, but came back to the Swarup Lakshana. If you keep that in mind. So he did not say, again go and do tapasya. He got the point. Saisha bhargavi vidya. So this was the vidya of Bhargavi. Bhargavi means of Bhrigus. So that factor which was not clear, which was said as Tatastha Lakshana, now we got the point that it has Swarup Lakshana also. So ultimately what do you want to say? Ananda Swarupam Brahma. So that Brahman is of the nature of Anand. Okay. So Vijnanam Anandam Brahma. This is said in Brihadaranyaka, and Anandam Brahmeti, this is said in Taittiriya Upanishad. So what are the 3 points now of Yataha word? Number 1 point, it is Nimitta Karanam. Number 2 point, it is Upadan Karanam. Rather 4 point. Number 3 point, it is Abhinna Vivarti, Abhinna Nimitta Upadan Karanam. And number 4 point is, it is Anandam, Ananda Swarupam cha. This is the 4 points which is deducted from our discussion. Ab that was a long process, how it came to Anand. How from Annamay to Pranmay, from Pranmay to Manumay, from Manumay to Vigyanmay, and from Vigyanmay to Anandmay. That was, I'm not going into those details because we are going to the Bhashya now. So this is the meaning of Yataha. So how will you say now? Yataha means Yasmat Prapanchasya Abhinna Nimitta Upadan Karanat Anand Swarupat Prapanchasya Srishti Sthiti Layaha Sambhavati. I'm repeating it. Yasmat Prapanchasya Abhinna Nimitta Upadan Karanat is right. अभिन्न निमित्त उपादान कारणात् आनंद स्वरूपात् प्रपंचस्य सृष्टि स्थिति लयाः प्रपंचस्य सृष्टि स्थिति लयाः संभवन्ति तत् अभिन्न निमित्त उपादान कारणम तत् अभिन्न निमित्त उपादान कारणम तद अभिन्न निमित्त उपादान कारणम आनंद स्वरूपम ब्रह्म भवति। तद अभिन्न निमित्त उपादान कारणम आनंद स्वरूपम ब्रह्म भवति। I hope you are clear. No? Not clear. I'm just putting in Sanskrit. This is called Lakshana Sutra. First was called Jigyasa Sutra. This is called Lakshana Sutra. Brahma Lakshana Sutra. Tatastha Swarupa Dvaya Lakshana Sutram. It has told about Tatastha and Swarup Lakshan both. Tatastha Swarupa Dvaya Lakshana Sutram. Holy, okay. Over? No, not over. Don't be happy it is over. It's not over. Then what more is there? There is more to say. There are two more words. No, it's over. Janmadi asya bas yata. No, two more words we added. Tad Brahma. We added that Adhyar was there to complete the sutra Tad Brahma. Okay. And therefore, one more feature of Brahman is there. And this is what I was talking while leaving yesterday toward the end. What is said here? See, now one more feature of Brahman, using the Jagat's nature. 4 points was mentioned yesterday, page 46, you see. I hope you have underlined that. Asya Jagataha Nam Rupabhyam Vyakritasya Aneka Kartrutva Bhoktritva Sanyuktasya Pratiniyata Desha Kala Nimitta Kriya Phal Ashrayasya Manasa Api Achintya Rachna Rupasya Janma Sthiti Bhangam Yataha Sarvagya Sarvashaktehe Karanat Bhavati Tad Brahma Vakyashesha. This is, he is the Vakyashesha. Tad Brahma he is added here. Tad Brahma. This is what I am trying. Vakyashesha means this is appendix. He has added something to make it more clear. And now he is using the Jagat Swabhava to prove the Brahman. What is that Jagat Swabhava? If you remember, there is something called, I am repeating it because very often people don't understand this point. Very easily they say that this nature is very intelligent, body is very intelligent. See, the solar system is very intelligent. Everything is happening with super intelligence, and they keep quiet. What Vedanta has to say, that intelligence is not the nature of the Jagat. Intelligence is functioning through the Jagat. This point you have to get into mind, that intelligence, if it was the nature of the Jagat, there will be two problems. What is the two problems? some things the same Jagat leaves its intelligence. That means, I give the example, like dead body does not have the intelligence. Like the dead plant does not have the intelligence. Something left its intelligence. We see that it is no longer having its intelligence. It is not that if it was the nature, then it won't leave the intelligence. Then and second point, again I will say that the inert, the very, what is it called? Definition of the inert, that which does not know itself or it does not know others. And yad drishyam tad jadam. Whatever is drish is jad. So if yad drishyam tad jadam is there, so by itself a thing cannot be having intelligence because it is inert. So inert does not have its intelligence because it is jadam. It is inert. So how can it function? And then what comes? Svatmani, what is it called? Kartru karm virodh is there. And therefore, if the function is happening in the inert, if the action is happening in the inert, get this point, although I have repeated it umpteen times. How many times? 18. Umpteen. Umpteen means many. Umpteen times. Many times. Please get this point. If water is flowing, water is having an action called flow. So, the one which is on which the action is going on will not be the one which is doing the action. Water is flowing. We say very easily, water is running. Water is not running. Somebody is acting on the water to run. Water cannot run by itself. Somebody is acting on the water to run. And that somebody which is acting on the water to run is not water. You know how we make a mistake in our daily parlance, it affects our philosophy also. It affects the truth also. We use the word expression, plant is growing. Plant has grown. Plant is an inert thing. Plant cannot, the action of growth is on the plant. Plant cannot grow by plant. There is somebody else who is acting on the plant to grow. And that plant has grown very intelligently. First it had a sprout. Then it had some leaves came up. If leaves are not there, then it can't have photosynthesis. No? Photosynthesis. So if you cut the leaves of the plant, then the plant will die away. Because the food which it was taking through the sunlight will not be there. Those who will study botany, they will certify to what I am talking about. This plant is there. See what expressions we use. Plant, we say, is taking the sunlight, and that sunlight converts into the food of the plant. Photosynthesis. Then from that plant, slowly comes the bud. And from that bud comes the fruit. Flower. Then the flower converts into fruit. I don't know if you can observe these things. Please observe. if you see the pumpkin, or if you see the Kerala, or if you see mango. So first there is a bud, then the flower comes up, and then flower converts into the fruit. The jackfruit tree was there here, where monkeys used to come. One jackfruit tree. They had a combined breakfast here. And then we had to remove that jackfruit tree because of the generator. Generator. And because one jackfruit tree is at the back. So observe that. What Vedanta has to say? We say, no, tree produces the fruit. Tree is growing. Tree is having flowers. All these statements are incorrect. Tree by itself is inert. There is some intelligence acting on the tree. Action cannot be done by the one on which action is going on. Kartru karm virodh. Action. Tree cannot grow by itself. Tree cannot produce flower. Tree cannot produce fruit. And very intelligently, if everything is happening, that means some intelligence is acting on the tree. And then tree grows and it produces fruit and flower at its respective season. And lot of fruits and flowers. In one tree, one mango tree can produce hundreds of mangoes in one season. And after that season is gone. After that season is no more. Acha, very intelligent you see there. If it is a summer like summer is now, so you have, the juicy fruits are like watermelon is there, muskmelon is there. And oranges are there, plums are there, because this is the fruit needed. But in the winter fruits, lemons are there. But those juicy fruits are not that much as we have. I think this is the fruit season is there. So there's more fruits in this season is there. Banana is every time. All time fruit is banana. Winter, summer, every time is. Apple is also out. Apple. I think apple most of the year. Now it is a big confusion. Every fruit you get every time. Some is imported. Lot of import-export goes on. Many fruit which you eat is not produced here. It has come from some other country. The fruit from here goes to Dubai. But when the fruit has to be produced, there's the intelligence there. I always said that big fruits are not on the tree. They are on the creepers. Supposing it falls, then the person it will break the head also. If supposing the jackfruit, what is it called? Watermelon had fallen from the top. So everywhere there is a very I'm trying to make your buddhi separated from the object and the intelligence. Please get my point. Similarly, we say body is very intelligent. We use such expression. When you run, so you need oxygen, therefore you start panting. You will start panting if you do some physical work, because more oxygen is required, therefore you start panting is there. Similarly, when you read, so as per the distance, the eyes will adjust, the retina, etc. is there. So body is very intelligent we use. Similarly, you ate something. So there is, we use such expression, which is not right. So body is digesting the food. Body is digesting the food. All is a very, not well thought of statements are there. Body will separate the blood also, it will make. Body will send this to the, kidney. Kidney will do the filtering. So what the toxins are there in the food? Toxins. That kidney will filter. If kidney is not functioning, so the whole blood will become poisonous. Because the same blood is circulating. This is what dialysis did. Dialysis means the kidneys work dialysis is doing. So whole blood goes through the dialysis. Dialysis is a machine. So they connect the whole body's blood to the dialysis. So it is filtering through that process. We don't know how important kidney is. Of the blood, because what we are eating, what we are breathing, everywhere there are certain poisonous things are there. A kidney is such which has the ability to do that. Similarly, pancreas are there. Pancreas are creating insulin. We don't know what is insulin also. Pancreas are creating insulin. Whatever carbohydrate we are eating, it has been converted into energy. If the diabetes is there, that means the insulin is not produced, right? Insulin is not produced. That means whatever you are eating will be thrown out. Therefore, if you take a lot of sugar or what is it called, carbohydrate, sugar, rice, etc., there is nothing, you feel weak because there is no converter into energy of the carbohydrate. So whole sugar is gone now. Everything is going on. You will feel weak. And kidney will become weak in due time. Eyes will become weak in due time. You don't know what super intelligence the body is being dictated by. I'm not changing the word. I'm saying therefore Bhagavan says, Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Deham Ashrita Pranapan Samayukta Pachami Annam. I am the one who is doing the digestion, not the body. I pachami annam aham pachami. He separated that body and I. I'm just giving few examples. There are million, trillion. Everything here has super intelligence. Everything is being operated by the super intelligence. Please take this out. Super intelligence. Whether it is that seasons are there. If only day is there, a person will not get a rest. If only night is there, person will become lethargic. Tamoguni is there. Therefore, if only night is there, people are in depression. The countries like, which are near the North Pole. What is that country? Finland. Some European countries are there. They have 6 months of day, 6 months of night. Which is that country? So there they have more suicide rates are there. Very gloomy kind of thing is there. And where only day is there for 6 days. They have to put curtain to sleep because energy level is high. You can't sleep properly. So everywhere sees whether it is day and night, whether it is the seasons. If summer is not there, you can't have rains. If rain is not there, you can't have crops. If crops are not there, you can't have sustenance of the plant kingdom. If plant kingdom is not there, you can't have the animals also. Wildlife also is not there. And we can't have the fruit also. If ocean is not there, you can't have rains. Ocean is required because of where the water will be evaporated. The process of evaporation will take place how? So everything that we are using and living into, there is a tremendous super intelligence is acting on that object. And this is mentioned by the 4 words here, what you see. And to seeing the product, you can make out the producer. Seeing that very intelligent design is there. In the world we say like that. If somebody wrote very nice, we don't say no, it has been written automatically. Or if somebody has made something, you say, oh, very good, so what a car has been made. Very great, very intelligent person must have made such a car. In America, so what they have made there, so ambulances go or fire brigade go. And it is rush. So the fire brigade folds it 2 wheels and runs on 2 wheels. So 4 wheels, if they say the traffic is very intense, so how to go? So it folds 2 wheels. From it goes like this. And now from 2 wheel like a cycle, it goes like that. You say, wow, what intelligence they have made. Similarly, solar panel they have made, which tilts with the sun every day. Not that it is like this. Everywhere where sun goes, there the solar point solar panel converts, and in the night it folds like that. Then you say, oh, who has made this? Which country has made? So, but when you see the world, you make the intelligence the dharma of the object. This is the mistake. Okay. So, two things we see in the world. What do we see? First, you see intelligence operating on the bird. To seeing the nature of the child, you can infer the nature of the parent. Not all the time true, but there is a possibility. Otherwise, how Prahladji's parent was Hiranyakashipu? He was a demon, and he was a greatest saint of the time. There are exceptions, but there is a reflection of the parent in the child. There is a reflection you can say. Okay, not all are quiet. Okay, don't extend it too much. That seeing the disciple, you can make the nature of the teacher. That will be dangerous. So. Not necessarily. I have my point. Don't make it very general. So when see the nature of the Jagat, you can see the super intelligence of the Brahman. Here Brahman and Ishwar both are used in the same word. Now, in this context, we are using the word Brahman and Ishwar indiscriminately because the discussion is on Karanatvam. When Brahman is word used for Karanatvam, it will be said Ishwar. Ishwar word has been used by Shankaracharya Bhagavan also. Now, I am now going to each of word. First word was Jagataha Namrupabhyam Vyakritasya. Vyakritasya. Here Vyakrit means very well manifested. Well manifested. That means that world which is expanded by its name and form. This is the first point. So, Namrupabhyam Vyakritasya is one word. Don't get confused there. And second word is Vyakrit, very well manifested. Very well expressed. Expressed. Vyakrit means expressed. Okay. Then, so first word is telling about the intelligent creator. Because anything manifests only when there is a manifester. Manifest cannot be without manifester. Why? Because what is manifested requires some work to manifest. Okay. Second point. Aneka kartru bhoktru sanyuktasya. This is telling about many jivas are there. Many jivas. But many jivas, the creation is the product. That means that one who created must not be jiva. Second point is Jeev Bhinnatvam. So first point was about the intelligent creator. Intelligent creator. And second point is about the Jeev Bhinnatvam. Because he is manifesting the Jeev, all Jivas, then he cannot be Jeev. He cannot be Jeev. Ishwar is not a Jeev. Because Jeev has no right. Sarvbhutani kaunteya prakritim yanti mamikam kalpakshay punastani kalpadav visrjami am. Prakritim swam avashtabhya visrjami punah punah. So I am the one who manifests the Jeev. My God. Bhut gramam imam kritsnam avarsham prakritirvasha. So this Bhut Gramam Imam Krishnam. Bhut Gramam means this Jeev Gram. Bhut Gram. So Bhagavan is the one. So there is someone who is different than the Jeev. Jeev means who is not subject to karm, phal and karm. He is not a part of karm, phal area. He is above it. Otherwise, he also has to be under some other Ishwar. This is the second point. Third point is, please see, third is interesting. Pratiniyat. Desh kala nimitta kriya phal ashrayasya. So, pratiniyat means which is specific. Specific. Ashrayasya. So, here, so Desh Kal, there is a specific time, a specific place, and a specific cause. Prarabdha. Nimitta means prarabdha. Of what? Of action and fruit. See, so in a particular place, at a particular time, therefore we heard everything has its own time. Don't hurry up, it will happen in time. Time has not come. You use the words, time has not come. This is not the right time. Maybe someday it will happen. So, pratiniyat, desh, kal, nimit means prarabdha. Kriya, phal ashrayasya. So, it is the support of various kind of action and phal. Phal means the fruit that will come. A specific fruit will come at a specific time. And this tells that one should be sarvagya. Because he knows of all the fruits, this is the right time and ripe time to express this fruit. Achha, this is the time now. Now he is becoming old. Now let me give him the fruit now. What fruit is that? Different fruit now he will get. This disease now will come in this age now. Or he did not serve anybody, so let me take away everybody from his life and put him into solitude. My God, this is the niyat, khal is there. Now nobody is there to look after him. Alone now. Now he was at his own time, people say, at his younger age, he was everything. Now he is nobody. Ye aisa phal de dete hain Bhagwan. Same Saddam Hussein, who was the almost president of Iraq. Lot of wrong actions they did. Not to hundreds of people they killed. America, he had to hide in a rat hole. When he was caught, American were after him. He had 7 palaces. You know where he was hiding? Under a rat hole inside the ground, where he had one store to make tea, coffee, etc. One, not even proper room also. What is that room called? Small room where they put the groceries, etc. Something like that. Beard all grown here and there. Disheveled hair. And these people, America, who can fight with America? Highest technologies they have. All satellites are around. They can find, if they want to find you, they can find from satellite also. Because the rays they throw, and that after that there's a reflection, they catch it. But why will they waste their time in finding me? I have not done anything. They would not. But I am just saying. And then they came with the gun on Saddam. You know what he said? He said, who are you? This soldiers asked. But you know what he said? Ahankar, President Saddam. Lo. Phal mila usko. Now he was put in one room where he had to wash his own clothes. You read about it. So many hearings of court, police, lawyers. He killed many people. This is the fruit. Ultimately, he was hanged in his own country. Then nobody knew where he is. Aur karo, ye sab kam. So, pratiniyat, definite time, definite kal, definite prarabdha, and definite fruit of that prarabdha expressing in a definite action. That means he knows all your actions, and he also knows what is the fruit on that action, and he also knows when this fruit can best express in his life. Yes, because this is the third lakshana called sarvajñatva. Second was Jeev Bhinnatva. This is the second lakshana, third lakshana. And what is the fourth lakshana? Fourth lakshana is manasa api achinta rachna rupasya. What is the meaning of that? Achinta rachna? How it was created, you cannot say. Nobody can create anything. Nobody can create. You can know how the brain functions, but you can't create a brain. We cannot create a liver. If the liver is damaged, they are trying to create an artificial liver, but not successful. There is what is called, IVF. You know IVF. So you should know all these things also. This Anuja's mother does that. IVF is that artificially they inseminate. Those who don't have children, so they take the egg in some kind of, what is it called? But they cannot make the egg. They cannot make the sperm. You cannot make anything here. You cannot make plant. You can do hybrid and all these things you can do. We had one rose in which two colors were there. Same rose, it had yellow color and red color also. Here, small rose are very less. We had lot of rose earlier. We have to bring more rose. Same rose. You can mix something, but you cannot create. You cannot create water. No, I can create water by condensing. No, but already hydrogen is the oxygen. You cannot create hydrogen and oxygen. There is already there. You are doing condensation process you can do, but you cannot create. No, I can create aeroplane. Aeroplane was created with already existing things, you mixed it. This is achinta rachana rupa. You cannot create orange. No, you cannot create orange. No, I will create. No, you cannot create. Make one orange. No, nobody can create orange. Artificial orange I am making. You cannot create artificial orange. You cannot create artificial banana. You can, in India what they do, to make it sweeter they inject. One person had put Lauki in the fridge. Morning he got up, fridge was open. The Lauki grew up. Overnight, the Lauki became big. And it's so big that it opened the fridge also. So scary. He got up, he said, why the fridge is open? Then he saw the whole Lauki has overgrown. So they can do some things. This is achinta rachana rupam. Human being itself is achinta rachana rupam. Plants are there. So everything is, that is called inexplicable. And therefore, that means Sarva Shakti is there. So this word includes Sarva Shakti. Remember, Sarva Shaktiman is grammatical, not great word. Sarva Shakti is Bahubrehi Samas. Sarvaha Shakteha Yasya. That is called Sarva Shakti. Although they say Sarva Shaktiman, but Bhashyakar is more fond of Sarva Shakti word. Sarvaha Shakteha Yasya. It is Sarva Shakti. So he has all powers. Powers means what? That he can create anything which cannot be made by anybody. How you cannot say that like that? You cannot do anything. So power, achinta Shakti is there. Which it can create anything. Therefore, when you read Puran, people are, what is all this cocking? From the nose of Brahmaji, Brahab came. This is the power of that. There are siddhis and there. A person can fly. Person can fly. Lot of powers are in the mind. There is one program comes, America Has Got Talent. I don't know you saw or not some. Don't see if you have. But in that, somebody will eat blade. And he'll bring out blade also. I'm just giving it one example. Similarly, there are people who can come in front of you and they will say, okay, I'll tell you what you are thinking. They'll tell what exactly you are thinking. So there are a lot of powers are there which are inexplicable. They can make you, they can hypnotize and make you vanish. When PC Sarkar was there, now he's not there. He came late. 6 o'clock was a show and it's 8 o'clock was. He said, what is the time? He was 6, you are supposed to come at 6 o'clock. He said, no, please see your watch. It is not 8 o'clock. It is still 6 o'clock. Everybody's watch was different. Now, don't see how it happened. They saw 6 o'clock is there. This is called magic is there. क्या बताएं? Lot of magics are there. Achint Shakti is there in this creation. There was one lady is there in Jodhpur was there. She never ate anything. I think she never drank also anything. And healthy. There is in Gujarat there is one person. Prahlad, I told also, he doesn't drink anything, doesn't eat anything. Since he was 14 and 13. He's 85 now. Abhi Shakti he has. I told her Deviji touched the lips of his lips. He doesn't eat anything. So the doctors were puzzled. So he was taken to test in seclusion. 200 doctors tested him. If you don't drink water, the kidney will collapse after a few days. Ketone or something is there. Kidney will fail and a person will die. In 13 days, 12 days, he will pass away. But he is living. ऐसी सी शक्ति इस जगत में. So मनसा अपि अचिंत्य रूपम, that means सर्व शक्ति. So first thing was that Buddhiman, he is extremely intelligent. Anant Buddhi. Second thing was Jeev Bhinnatvam. Third thing was Sarvagyatvam. And fourth thing is called Sarshakti. And therefore he concludes Ataha Sarvagyat Sarshakti Karanad Bhavati. And therefore, what is there? Brahman or Ishwar should be there, which is different than this world. And this concludes the topic of this sutra. There has to be cause, yes. So don't say I don't believe in Ishwar, that everything is already, nature is working by itself, everything is very intelligent. These people have not thought out that. Neither they had any satsang that somebody can tell them also. Now comes the Purupaksh. I thought it was over. No, don't be happy. Purupaksh. Nayayik hai iska. Nayayik. And Nayayik says something. What he says? He said, that you are talking that second sutra is Lakshana Sutra. Yes. And third sutra is Pramana Sutra. Yes. I have some problem with this. What problem he has? I feel the second sutra should be Pramana Sutra. And time is over. So we will see more tomorrow. tomorrow, what is his contention. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namah. Hari Om.